What is 3D printer? 3D printers or additive manufacturing is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from digital files. The creation of a 3D printer's object is achieved using digital process. Additive process where summarized layer of material are laid down in different shapes. Object can be of almost any shapes or dimension and are produced from 3D models or other electronics data. Now we describe what is history of 3D printing. 1948 to 1986, Charles Hall invented 3D printing and coins the term stereolithography. And 1992, first 3D printer built by 3D Systems. And in 1999, first application of 3D printing is the medical field, creating the human builders. Now, 2000 machine kidney created through 3D printing. Now, 2006, selective laser sintering, machine printing, multiple materials field. Now, following steps in this process. First, modeling. Second, printing. And third is finishing.